Welcome back to the VTC course on Wireshark. In the previous video, we reviewed a network troubleshooting process. In this video, we will review how to use Wireshark for system administration. Most of us have heard system administrators asking if there is something wrong with the network. And network administrators would usually reply that the problem is within the system. Using Wireshark can stop this back and forward blame showing. Who is at fault and who should fix it? Modern networks use TCP/IP and Ethernet. Ethernet is a protocol that works without pretty much any fuss whatsoever. There are, however, a long list of problems which involve system drivers, operating systems, system updates, multiple configurations, applications, network switches, and the list goes on and on. A system administrator should use a tool which can detect whether the network is working from the OSI layer 2 perspective or from an Ethernet perspective. When a system admin problem occurs, the first step should be to verify that the system is actually receiving the network packets. The most basic packet is the ARP packet. The ARP packet is sent when a computer wants to communicate with another computer on the same subnet. It has an IP address for that computer, but doesn't have a MAC address. An ARP request is broadcast onto the Ethernet segment asking who has the IP address or which MAC has this IP address. Knowing that ARP traffic is necessary for normal network traffic, Wireshark can be used to check if this traffic exists on the network. There are conditions of ARP which indicate specific problems. If there is no ARP traffic from the system on the network, either you are not capturing the traffic correctly, or there are driver or OS issues preventing network communication. If the system is issuing ARP requests, but there is no response from the computer system, it may actually not be on the network. In this case, you will want to make sure that the system is on the correct LAN. It is as easy as plugging the system into the correct network point. If, however, the system is receiving ARP requests and sending IP traffic on the network, but they're not receiving a response, which you have verified with your Wireshark sniffer, then there may be a firewall or driver issue with the computer system. Once you have verified that you can see the network, you will then need to troubleshoot both systems on the network, which can connect to the application. Because most network applications are TCP based, testing is confined to applications using that protocol. For this example, we use a web server operating on port 80. Remember, the TCP protocol relies on a three-way handshake before exchanging any data. The handshake itself can cause problems with an application. Using Wireshark to dissect TCP packets, we are able to locate application problems. In the next video, we will review the use of Wireshark for system security.